Explore the Ho'omaluhia Botanical Gardens on Oahu's windward side, where global flora thrives. This lush sanctuary exemplifies biodiversity and Hawaii's ethos of malama ka'aina, or caring for the land. Visitors can picnic amidst exotic landscapes, embracing tranquility and conservation. Taha, known as Vanilla Island, produces 80% of Tahiti's vanilla. Visitors can explore family-run plantations, learning about the intricate vanilla curing process. Nearby, the Anapa Pearl Farm showcases the delicate art of cultivating Tahitian black pearls, offering a unique souvenir experience. Oahu's culinary scene is a farm-to-table paradise. Savor local produce at Foodland Farms or enjoy a traditional olili dining experience with dishes like kalua pig and poke bowls. Each meal reflects Hawaii's rich agricultural heritage and diverse culture. Raiatea offers a journey through Polynesian history and nature. Navigate the Wharoa River, explore the sacred marae Taputapuatea, and seek the rare Tiare apatahi flower. These experiences highlight Raiatea's cultural significance and vibrant ecosystem, connecting visitors to its heritage. Tahiti's secret gardens blend natural beauty with cultural richness. From Oahu's botanical sanctuaries to Taha's vanilla and pearls, each destination offers a unique story. Embrace the spirit of malama ka, respecting and preserving these enchanting islands. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.